I have an announcement to make. Please watch the following video. Over. V8TV has a very exciting announcement. I'm racing in February at the Nationals at Sydney Dragway. After a 12-year hiatus from drag racing, my new car, Bipolar, the 69 Dodge Dart with my new Noonan Hemi, will be racing Group 1, which is a dream come true. I've always wanted to be a Group 1 racer. I've had Group 5, Group 4, Group 3, Group 2, Super Stock, and now Group 1. I have a big announcement hopefully coming tomorrow about my crew chief. I'm trying very hard to get the #1 crew chief for this car, and if I do get him, I will be announcing that again tomorrow. So remember, look it up. February, Nationals, Sydney Dragway, come and see me and the team, and Bipolar, the Dodge Dart, doing big burnouts and big wheelies. Over. Hi, Adam from V8TV. For years, I've struggled to find drag racing on TV. As an avid fan of the sport as well as a racer, I used to like getting on the TV and watching as much as I can. But there was always a shortage, so I started a page on YouTube, Motormouth TV. Now you can go on YouTube, pardon me, and click on Motormouth TV. If you click on the page, you can watch hours, 140 videos of just drag racing. You can sit in your lounge, put on Motormouth TV, sit back and just watch hours of drag racing. So, no more shortage of drags. If you want to see the drags, go to Motormouth TV on YouTube and watch to your heart content. Over. Jimmy Reed. Please like and subscribe to my V8TV channel and Motormouth TV on YouTube.